Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? In this video, I'm going to show you my new updated facial routine. If you are interested to see how I take care of my skin, then stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so the summer has come and gone, and most of us are left with sunburn damage on our skin, or we have acne flare-up from lack of eating properly because we were crazy about in the summer. So now we're left with taking care of our skin. So I had to really invest in some new products because I have a lot of sun damage right here because I was out doing gardening without having on my SPF. And you guys already know how important SPF is, especially when you're going to be in the sun. So I learned my lesson. So now I have to pay the price. So there's some products that I'm using to counteract or to repair my skin. So I'm going to show you guys how I use them. I'm actually using something from Dr. Gerard T now. It's a really good brand. Actually, it's a Korean brand. And if you know anything about facial products, you know Korean has the best facial products. So I'm using this, and this is a sleep mask. And what you do is after you do your cleansing, I also introduce this to my skin routine now, which helps to make sure your blood circulates properly in your face. So let me show you guys what I've been doing. Also, you guys hear me talk so much about this Sunday Ridley good jeans. It's expensive, but it has really repaired my skin and help me to combat the damage that I've already done to my skin. So let's remove this makeup and wash this off and start the skincare routine so you guys can see how to repair your skin if it's sun damage or if you're even fighting, any hyperpigment issues. You know exactly how to do it. So of course I'm going to use a makeup wipe remover, none specifically, just any makeup wipe remover. That is the first thing that I do, is to use a makeup wipe remover just to lift the makeup, and I'm going to drag these lashes off. So if you're going to feel like you're feeling pain, close your eyes.
That you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin.
So now the next thing that I do, I go in with a bar soap. And I got this from my local herbal store. It's called a body skin conditioner. And it's actually burdock and black powder. And that's what it looks like. And that's what the soap looks like. It's like a black soap. Most Africans use this. And this helps with my acne. So what it does, I just rub it on my hand, get it sunny, and I go in. Now this is gonna clean up my pores and make sure there's nothing left. I mean, if there's any bacteria on the skin, this is actually going to lift it up.
Lose all your control, do it for you. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move.
Going with some body oil, and that's for the massage process.
Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin. Yeah, spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel.
So now that my skin is massaged and feels so good, I'm now gonna go in with the Chica pear, and this is from the Dr. Gerard. You can get this from TJ Maxx or Sephora. Preferably Sephora. I just found this at TJ Maxx by accident. So I was really excited. It is not cheap. You maybe get this jar for maybe right around $40-50 again, but the result is amazing. They also has a CC cream and a BB cream that has skincare particles and formulas in it, which really helps. So if you have really good skin, unlike mine, I cannot really wear BB cream and CC cream because of all of these imperfections that I have. I need coverage. So that's what the looks like, and that's a sleeping mask. You're just gonna put this on. It's gonna stay on your face. You're gonna sleep through the night with it, and then when you wake up in the morning and doing your morning routine, which normally my morning routine consists of the Sunday Ridley Good Gene, or sometimes I use the Sunday Ridley, and this is the Luna oil. So when I wash this off, I normally go in with the Luna oil, and also I double moisturize at that time. And of course I use my Olive Olay SPF 50 to make sure that I get protection, because I've learned my lesson. So all I'm gonna do now is put this on, and I'm gonna finish up my skincare routine just like that. I'm gonna add some of the Mario Badescu spray on my skin, and that's it.
Go ahead and just spin for me. I want you to spin. Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within.
That's it. So that's what your skin is gonna look like, and you're gonna go to bed like this. It just hydrates. And that's it. That is how you repair your skin from sun damage. You have to do a lot of masks, sleeping masks, sheet masks, a lot of repair cream, real good ones, especially the Sunday Ridley, the Luna, really good. So you have to do night and day, night and day, night and in the morning. So you have to really buckle down on your skincare routine in order to repair your skin back from sun damage. So that's all that I have, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Hopefully this was informative, and hopefully you guys will try some of these products that I did speak about in the event you are struggling with acne-prone skin or flare-up or hyperpigmenting or sun damage like myself. See you guys on my very next video. Bye, guys.
Spin for me. I want you.